So if you guys aren't switching over to terminal/Padre to trade because you think the UI looks shit, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your Axiom UI and make it look exactly the same on terminal. You can see mine looks identical. Can't tell the difference. Now this is what I did, and I'm going to need you guys to copy the things that I do if you want it to be identical. So you come down here to customize appearance, you put it on indigo, put your font on enter, and you just hit done. Now you come to customize item layout, keep it on Moxia in the token section. Right now for your background, have it all off. Avatar square, reuse the warning on. Your metrics, large, stack, rounded, tick, tick, untick, and keep these as your colors. So blue, yellow, green. Vitals, so you want the first four, you want it all ticked. Fresh wallet buys off, recent visitors on, market cap and stats off. Now go to vitals, now go to audit. For the audit section, you want this on bright and everything ticked. Progress, we're going to have it at ring and unticked. Now for the links, alpha groups on, linked X user handle, count and following, all three of these off, and tick, tick. Tweet age coloring, blue, orange, red, and the rest is fine. And we go to title. Our title, obviously we want to have it white. It should already be white for you. And the last one, CA. Now you come to general. Now in the general space, you want this on compact. Soon sort on market cap, all for tick, and show progress tooltip on hover. That's it. Once you do those settings, this is how it will look. And now you have the same thing as Axiom, but on terminal where you get 35% cashback. Now you can see on Axiom, right? We go to rewards here. You're on 3x rewards. And you can see I'm like on the gold level, nearly platinum, right? And if I get to platinum, this will only be 3.5x. Whereas if you're trading here, it's already on 35%. Look at this, 35%. You need to get this up to 5x in order to get 35% cashback, which terminal already gives you. So if you're not signed up and you want 35% cashback, come here, link in my bio, hit more links, and you can see here the terminal link is here. And once you sign up through this link, you'll be put instantly on 35 and you get an extra 20% off all your fees. So every time you trade, every transaction you make here with these fee settings, you get an extra 20% off. It could even be more. Some more benefits that you can see on terminal is if you scroll down, if you don't have some of these wallets added, it already shows you down here. It shows you the people on the FOMO app that are buying. It shows you these KOLs that you probably don't track, and it shows you what platform the people are using. So you can see these holders, right? This guy's using the Bloom, this person's using Axiom, this one's using the terminal app. You can see all of this down on the holders section. Whereas if you go on the same thing on Axiom, right, go down to holders, look, it doesn't give you that information. It just gives you the wallet address, and you're able to access a lot more information on terminal. So if you are trading on Axiom, make the switch, try it out, see if you like it. Trade for a week at least, just trade for a week on terminal and see the amount of cashback you get compared to Axiom. And if you're ever bored and you have a bit of Solana to play with, come over to Soul Pump where you can play games like Crash. All you have to do is connect your Phantom wallet and you're good to go. You can play games like Coin Flip. You can even play games like Blackjack, which is the most popular one. Very good UI and it looks really good too. With my code, you can open a free daily case every day and you'll be able to earn free Solana and the Soul Pump token, which you can then sell.